Hi guys. Today I'm going to show you how to add these two mixed fractions together. And stay calm, because it is going to be easier than you think. If you know how to do this, you will be able to add different mixed fractions together. When looking at these two fractions, does that make you think, can I just add 5 and 2 together and 1/4 and 2/3 together? Well, the answer is yes. That is exactly what we are going to do. We will avoid converting the mixed fractions into improper fractions so that it does not make it any more complicated. As we know, the value of 5 1/4 is the same as 5 plus 1/4, and 2 2/3 is the same as 2 plus 2/3. So now we can rearrange the positions of this 5 plus 2 plus 1/4 plus 2/3, and it won't change the result. We got what we want. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Okay, and next we just need to figure out what 1/4 plus 2/3 equals. You see, these two fractions do not have the same denominator. That's the bottom number. If it was 1/4 plus 3/4, we can just add the two numerators, that is the top numbers, together. Because they have the same denominator, that is the bottom number. We need to convert 1/4 and 2/3 to have the same denominator. This process is called finding the least common denominator. But how? Well, a good way to do it is to start with the larger denominator to find the least common denominator for both of them. In this case, between 3 and 4, the 4 is the larger denominator. We will go through multiples of 4 to find which one is divisible by 3 and 4. That will be the best common denominator that we want. Okay, let's get started. 1 times 4 is 4. Is 4 divisible by 3? No. 2 times 4 is 8. Is 8 divisible by 3? No. 3 times 4 is 12. Is 12 divisible by 3? Yes. That's it. That is the number we are looking for. We call that number the least common denominator. Now we can rewrite both fractions as something over 12. Keep in mind that when both the numerator and denominator are multiplied by the same number, the value of the fraction remains the same. For 1/4, when we multiply both 1 and 4 by 3, we get 3/12. For 2/3, when we multiply both 2 and 3 by 4, we get 8/12. Now both fractions have a common denominator that allows us to add the numerators. Let's add them together. 3/12 plus 8/12 equals 11/12. You got it. Just like that, we did it. Cool. So today we learned how to break up the mixed fractions into two parts: whole numbers and proper fractions. We add the whole numbers together, then add the proper fractions together. If the proper fractions don't have a common denominator, find their least common denominator, then convert the two different fractions into ones that have the same denominator. Keep in mind that we never convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. That is it for today. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below or email us at question@beat-math.com. We will try to answer your question in the next video. If you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the bell button to turn on notifications. So when we answer your question in our next video, you'll be notified. See you next time.